Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker chicken bog. Alright, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot and I have it set on saute medium and it's hot. I'm going to add some olive oil in here. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons, enough to coat the bottom. Now I have 1 medium onion that I diced up. We're going to get that in the pressure cooker. And Dexter's all wound up today, guys. Probably because I'm cooking chicken. And I'm going to add in, I have a 12-ounce ring of smoked sausage. This is pre-cooked. I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to fry this until my onions are translucent and my sausage starts to brown. Right now that my onions and sausage went for a few minutes, I'm going to add in 3 spoons of chopped up garlic. If you use fresh garlic, just use 3 cloves. And I'm going to allow this to go just for a minute. And I'm going to keep you guys on camera because this isn't going to take long. And guys, if you could smell the aroma coming off this sausage. Okay, now I'm going to add in 2 cups of rice. You don't use instant or pre-cooked rice. You want to use just regular white rice. I'm going to get that in the pressure cooker. Turn off my saute setting. I'm also going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And this one has rare occasions where you'll see me measuring. Alrighty. There's 2. And I have another box over in the cupboard. I'll get that in a minute. Now I'm going to pretend I have the 4 cups of chicken broth in there. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And about a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, now that I have the other 2 cups of chicken broth, and that's a total of 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of rice. I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm just going to scrape the bottom a little bit to deglaze it, because with the Instant Pot, you get the burn notice. And that's no fun because that cancels out your cooking cycle and you have to start all over. Or try to pick up where you left off. We're going to start to get the burn notice. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. Come over here and grab it. I'm going to make sure I'm sealed, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. After my 3 minutes are up, I'm going to allow that to do a natural release for 10 minutes, and I'll release the pressure the rest of the way. Alright, my 3 minutes are up. I let that do that natural release for 10 minutes, and I release the rest of the pressure. Now I have here 2 chicken breast. 2 beef breast, Dexter. Beef breast. Dexter's sensitive about the C word. 2 chicken breasts. What I did is I put them in a 4-in-3 oven on a cookie sheet, seasoned with a little salt and pepper, left them bake for 30 minutes, then I left them cool and I shredded them. Now if you want to take the easier way out, you could just buy a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store and shred that up. So I'm going to get that down in there. And I'm going to add in another cup of chicken broth. And I'm going to add in, I have some sliced up green onion. We're going to add some of that in there. And I'd say that's probably, let me get this big piece out here. That's probably about a half a cup of green onion. I'm going to give this a stir. And my pressure cooker's hot. Yes, Dexter. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and put a little bit of hot sauce on here. This is a southern dish, and I called it for hot sauce. So I'm going to get in there and try that. Chicken's tender. The rice. Rice is tender. That sausage has a really good flavor. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Right there you have it. Pressure cooker chicken bog. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.